Okay, the Ultrahuman Air Ring in 2025, your personal health code. Imagine a ring that could tell you the best time to drink coffee, when to sleep for optimal recovery, and even track your stress levels throughout the day. Sounds like something from the future, right? Well, the future is here with the Ultrahuman Air Ring in 2025. Hey everyone, Jason here from Ospina Tech. I've been testing the Ultrahuman Air Ring for over a month now, and I'm going to take you through what it does, what it gets right, what could be better, and whether it's worth your money. The ring, what does it actually do? The Ultrahuman Air Ring is a health tracking ring designed to monitor sleep, stress, movement, heart rate, and recovery. Unlike some competitors, there are no ongoing subscription fees, making it an attractive option for those who want to really go deep into the health insights without the extra costs. Its standout features include sleep tracking. It breaks down sleep cycles, REM, light, deep, and provides actionable insights. Stress monitoring. It maps out when you're most stressed and relaxed throughout the day. Activity tracking. It measures steps, movement score, and calorie burn. Caffeine Window. A unique tool that tells you when to drink coffee for the best effect based on your sleep patterns. And circadian rhythm insights. It helps you align your daily activities with your body's natural clock. The stress rhythm tracking is one of my favorite features. It maps out my day, showing when I'm most stimulated or relaxed, and even explains when stress is actually helping with productivity. Now let's talk about the app, which is your health dashboard. This is where the magic happens. The Ultrahuman app recently got an update, making it more user-friendly. Let's talk a little bit about the navigation and design. It has a swipe-based navigation, which makes it effortless to view past health data just by swiping left and swiping right. The movement score shows steps and calories burned, and they're all displayed at the top for an easy snapshot of your day. Now, dark mode is a default on the app, but personally I prefer a light mode option, which isn't currently available. Most apps usually match the operating system settings. Ultrahuman, please add this as soon as you can. Let's talk about power plugs. One of the coolest features of this app is power plugs. They're like little hacks to help improve your health. Let's talk about some of those. First, we have social jet lag. It shows how your sleep schedule compares to your social habits. Maybe you find yourself at 2 p.m. and operating as if it was 1 p.m. Now you have your caffeine window, which calculates the ideal time for drinking coffee to maximize energy and minimize disruption. You have the circadian rhythm tracking, which helps align activities with your body's natural rhythm, but it can feel a bit technical at first. There's a lot of text on the screen. We also have vitamin D tracking, a simple reminder to get outside. It's helpful, but not groundbreaking. And then for female health, there's a couple of really good power plugs. You have Pregnancy Insights, which is a great addition for women's health, and Cycle and Ovulation, as default built into power plugs at no extra cost. Now the Caffeine Window, which is probably my favorite one, suggests drinking coffee exactly 2 hours after waking up and stopping 5 hours later, making sure the caffeine works with you, not against you, and your body's natural rhythms. Now, integrations with other apps. It syncs with Apple Health, MyFitnessPal, Peloton, Garmin, Google Fit, and many more. As you can see, in comparison to other apps, there's a lot more options you have available. However, syncing workouts isn't always automatic, and some activities need to be logged manually. For example, when I did a Peloton workout, I could see that my Apple Watch Ultra was giving me much more accurate data as to my heart's rhythm and going into the 5 different zones versus my Ultrahuman Air Ring. Now, it's not a game breaker, and it's actually quite cool to be able to track it and see that within the app, which again is relatively unique for the app, but I probably would stick to using something like an Apple Watch for much better tracking of activities. Now let's talk about the fit, the sizing and the level of comfort. I ordered a sizing kit from Amazon for just £1, and I'll leave a link in the description. It included multiple plastic rings to test before buying. I found the size 12 to be the perfect fit, and the ring itself is light, durable and scratch resistant. A big improvement over the Oura Ring, which scratched so easily. Unfortunately, it gave me a scratch within the first day that I had it. It's very comfortable, and the Ultrahuman's inner lining is a lot easier to take on and take off. However, at the very bottom of the ring, it could do with some kind of small indentation maybe that would actually show which way around it is, because typically you can't really tell with the ring, because all the way around the ring is exactly the same, as you can probably see here. Now, how does customer service compare when looking at other brands? When it comes to customer service, Ultrahuman stands out. They offer support through WhatsApp and Instagram, often replying within 24 hours and providing direct, actionable solution. Let me give you an example. In my experience, they genuinely go above and beyond to resolve issues. For example, I noticed my ring's battery was draining at an unusual rate on the first day, almost 1% per minute. I contacted the team and they quickly resolved it with a remote firmware update and reset, which fixed the problem. That kind of proactive support is what makes me trust the brand. Compared to Oura, which has seen some declines in service quality as they've scaled, Ultrahuman feels more personal and attentive. This makes sense given the competitive market, where they're up against the likes of Oura and giants like Samsung, even new players like Rincon. They seem very invested in keeping their users happy, which is refreshing. Can it detect health issues? Yes, but with limitations. For example, AFib detection and cardio adaptability are available as plugins, but they have an extra cost. So they are £2.90 and £4.90 respectively. Oxygen saturation tracking is still in beta, so whilst useful, it's not a replacement for medical grade devices. Now, does it suit shift workers or non-traditional schedules? If you're someone within a regular schedule like a night shift nurse or a frequent traveller, Ultrahuman's circadian rhythm insights and custom sleep tracking features are game-changing. Unlike Oura, which assumes users follow a standard 8 to 10 hours of sleep at night and often penalizes deviant schedules, Ultrahuman's system adapts better. It even provides actionable insights for those operating outside of typical sleep patterns. Is it worth the price? At $329, it's an investment, but considering the no subscription model, it actually saves money in the longer run when you compare it to those that do have subscriptions. If you're in the UK, I recommend going for the Fulfilled by Amazon option. Right now, matte grey and raw titanium are in stock, but other colours are facing slight delays due to demand. Now, if you want to save 10%, I've got a 10% discount code in the description. Plus, if 5 people use it, full transparency, my girlfriend gets a free ring, so she'll be very grateful. Now, I want to talk a little bit about, is the Ultrahuman Air Ring 2025 worth it? Let's break it down to some pros and cons. Pros: no subscription fees. You can enjoy full functionality without any monthly plans, unlike competitors like Oura. It's great for detail tracking. The Ultrahuman excels in giving rich insights to stress, sleep, and recovery. Adaptable for regular schedules, so perfect for shift workers or anyone with unconventional routines. Responsive customer support. Support via WhatsApp and Instagram ensures quick issue resolutions. And my favourite, Caffeine Window. It uses a unique feature not available on most competitors. What are some of the cons? Manually logging workouts is required, so unlike Oura, some activities need to be added manually. The beta features, advanced metrics like oxygen tracking aren't yet really that polished, and fewer automatic insights may not suit users who prefer hands-off health tracking. That's really not ideal. And lastly, although it's a bit of a random con, I think that not having an AI assistant to get all your data using something like DeepSeek or Llama and be able to get all your information, it's an absolute opportunity they're missing out on, which an app like Oura does have. Now, if you found it helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. I'll be hovering around and wanting to answer any of them. Alright, see you in the next one. Ciao.